Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for: how to make your nails stronger. If you've been struggling with brittle, weak nails, don't worry. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing an amazing strengthening nail treatment that you can apply regularly to achieve those strong, healthy nails you've always wanted. So, let's jump right into it. Understanding the importance of nail strength. Before we dive into the nail treatment, let's take a moment to understand why nail strength is so important. Strong nails not only look great but also help prevent common issues like splitting, peeling, and breakage. By following these tips, you'll be able to enjoy long-lasting, beautiful nails. Maintaining a balanced diet for healthy nails. One of the key factors in promoting nail strength is maintaining a balanced diet. Your nails require essential nutrients to stay strong and healthy. Include foods rich in biotin, iron, protein, and vitamins in your diet. These nutrients can be found in foods like eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and fish. Remember, a healthy diet goes a long way in promoting overall nail health. The strengthening nail treatment. Now let's get into the star of the show, the strengthening nail treatment. This treatment is simple, effective, and can be done right in the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Remove any nail polish and cleanse nails. To start, remove any existing nail polish using a gentle nail polish remover. Then, wash your hands thoroughly and cleanse your nails to remove any dirt or oil. This step ensures that the treatment can penetrate your nails effectively. Step 2. Soak nails in warm water. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and soak your nails for about 5 minutes. This will help soften your cuticles and make it easier for the treatment to penetrate the nail bed. Step 3. Apply strengthening nail treatment. After soaking, pat your nails dry and apply a strengthening nail treatment. Look for products that contain ingredients like keratin, biotin, and vitamins. Apply the treatment to each nail, making sure to cover the entire surface and underneath the nail tip. Massage it gently to promote absorption. Step 4. Moisturize cuticles and massage. While the treatment is doing its magic, don't forget about your cuticles. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil or cream and gently massage it into the cuticle area. This step helps hydrate and protect the cuticles, promoting healthier nail growth. Additional tips for stronger nails. In addition to the nail treatment, here are a few more tips to help you achieve stronger nails. Keep your nails trimmed. Regularly trim your nails to prevent them from becoming too long and prone to breakage. Avoid harsh chemicals. Limit your exposure to harsh cleaning chemicals and opt for gloves while doing household chores. Use a protective base coat. Apply a quality base coat before applying nail polish to shield your nails from staining and damage. Give your nails a break. Take occasional breaks from nail polish and let your nails breathe. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to making your nails stronger with a regular strengthening nail treatment. Remember, consistency is key, so make this treatment a part of your nail care routine. With time, patience, and these tips, you'll be flaunting strong and beautiful nails in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful beauty tips. Visit Royal Beauty Center in Ghala, Muscat. For appointment WhatsApp 90149553. Thank you for watching.